We stand at the cusp of a new era, an era of machines that think. These are not the pre-programmed robots of the past, rigidly following instructions. This is the age of AI agents, robots, drones, and software systems that operate autonomously. They perceive their environment, process information, and make decisions, all without human intervention. Imagine a world where cars navigate bustling city streets without drivers, where drones deliver packages with pinpoint accuracy, and where software agents manage our finances and schedule our lives, all while we focus on more fulfilling tasks. This is the promise of AI agents, a future where intelligent machines work alongside us, augmenting our capabilities and expanding our horizons. The key to their intelligence lies in sophisticated algorithms fueled by vast amounts of data. These algorithms allow AI agents to learn from their experiences, adapt to changing circumstances, and even anticipate future events. Unlike traditional programmed systems, which are limited by their predefined rules, AI agents can handle complex, unpredictable situations with a level of flexibility and ingenuity that was once considered the exclusive domain of humans. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets AI agents apart, marking a profound leap forward in the evolution of artificial intelligence. As we continue to refine their algorithms and expand their capabilities, we can expect to see AI agents taking on even more complex and challenging tasks, transforming industries, and reshaping our world in ways we are only beginning to imagine. The impact of AI agents is already being felt across various sectors, revolutionizing the way we live and work. In healthcare, AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons with complex procedures, improving precision and minimizing risks. These robotic surgeons can analyze patient data, plan incisions, and even perform delicate maneuvers with a level of accuracy and control that surpasses human capabilities. Meanwhile, in the realm of transportation, self-driving cars are poised to transform our commutes. These vehicles utilize an array of sensors and AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings, navigate traffic, and make split-second decisions to ensure passenger safety. Imagine a world without traffic accidents, where commutes become opportunities for productivity or relaxation, all thanks to the advent of autonomous vehicles. Beyond these groundbreaking applications, AI agents are also streamlining operations in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. In factories, robots are working alongside human counterparts, performing repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency, while AI-powered systems optimize supply chains, reducing waste and improving delivery times. In customer service, chatbots are providing instant support, answering queries, and resolving issues, freeing up human agents to handle more complex requests. These examples are just a glimpse into the transformative potential of AI agents. As their capabilities continue to evolve, we can expect to see their presence grow in every facet of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. To truly grasp the significance of AI agents, we must first understand how they differ from the traditional programmed systems that preceded them. In the past, computers were essentially glorified calculators, capable of following instructions but lacking the ability to think for themselves. They excelled at performing repetitive tasks, but any deviation from their pre-programmed routines would render them useless. AI agents, on the other hand, operate on a fundamentally different principle. They are designed to learn from their experiences, adapting their behavior based on the data they gather. This ability to learn and adapt is made possible by sophisticated algorithms, inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. These algorithms allow AI agents to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. Moreover, AI agents can handle uncertainty and ambiguity, something traditional programmed systems struggle with. In the real world, not everything can be neatly categorized or predicted. Ensuring high data quality is crucial when training these systems, as accurate and reliable data forms the foundation for effective and trustworthy AI decision-making. AI agents, with their ability to learn and adapt, are better equipped to navigate the complexities of our world, making decisions and taking actions even when faced with incomplete or ambiguous information. This fundamental difference in their approach to problem solving is what makes AI agents so revolutionary. They represent a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence, moving away from rigid rule-based systems towards more flexible, adaptable, and ultimately more intelligent machines. As we venture further into the age of AI agents, it's crucial to consider their profound impact on society. This technological revolution has the potential to reshape our world in unprecedented ways, affecting everything from our economy and job market to our relationships and understanding of what it means to be human. One of the most immediate impacts will likely be on the job market. As AI agents become increasingly sophisticated, they will inevitably automate many tasks currently performed by humans. While this may lead to job displacement in certain sectors, it also presents an opportunity to create new jobs and industries that we can't even imagine yet. Moreover, AI agents have the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Imagine AI-powered systems optimizing energy grids to combat climate change or developing personalized treatment plans for patients with complex medical conditions. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination and our willingness to embrace this transformative technology. However, alongside the immense potential, we must also acknowledge the ethical considerations surrounding AI agents. As we grant these machines increasing autonomy, it's crucial to ensure they are aligned with our values and operate in a safe, transparent, and responsible manner. The future with AI agents is brimming with both promise and uncertainty. By approaching this new era with a balance of optimism and caution, we can harness the transformative power of AI agents to create a brighter future for all.